before I can get a picture of it or video. Man, these guys don't like cameras. He ducked out the camera before I can even get ready. And the phone ringing, you know. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and so far, all these mosquitoes. Shoot, bug. Don't bother me. Yeah. Mosquitoes are eating me up out here. Let's try to make this real quick. My neighbor has been over today. Friends have been over today. And I'm stacking. I can't pan too much, but been stacking all these canned goods. My mom thinks that, you know, my mom has this thing. If there's a canned goods sale, any store, don't know what the store is, like 10 for 10, 10 for $1, whatever. Yeah, she'll go and she'll like stack up the cart and get it. She got here. But yeah, so I'm multitasking because we don't have enough space. We have to stack it up, you know, and I have to put it all stacked up, get organized. So whenever she feels like she needs to eat one of these cans, usually it's vegetables. Well, I'm surprised, you know, I'm the only one in the house that eats vegetables. I love vegetables. But she don't eat it very much. Very seldom she eats vegetables. And what's is corn and stuff, and she can't eat corn because of diverticulitis. But there's things like if there's like a sale or something, she would go back. And we were watching stream coupons. She goes, Sharon, I want to do that. How do I do that? Get me on there. Because she don't know how to use a computer very much. She knows how to get on Facebook and talk to my nieces and nephews and my sister. But you know, her friends are on there. But she don't know how to do anything. So she goes, how do you do that? I'm like, okay, sure. And she goes on and goes, oh, it's too complicated. Okay. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today. And tomorrow we're going back to that church where we got all the, I don't know if I tell you about Fridays, we have the food pantry and stuff like that. We're going back there, and one of the guys, the main guy over it, he's going to give us a blessing. He's going to load up our vehicle, because a lot of these people, they can't get out to there and stuff like that. And we was talking about so he's going to go up our Jeep, and we're going to come back, and we're going to separate, divide, and stuff like that, and we'll do that. Yeah, and so we don't bless others, you know, and try to give a few foods out so that they can have for Thanksgiving. Yeah, and that's all. Chore. I love doing that. I love helping out people. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Now if I can only get the website to work, that's another thing I have to do tomorrow. Try to do that. I changed a whole lot again, because it was just everything was like too confusing. So I tried like basic as possible. You got the homepage and you got the pleasure board. Everything else is hidden for the time being. I didn't take it all out because if I wanted to bring it back later on, if I didn't want it would be a hassle, so I'll just put it invisible for right now. Yeah, so I got that. And if that hits off, maybe I can pair off my Jeep get it out of, debt. And so I won't be scared all the time that I'm not going to be able to make a payment and lose my only vehicle I got, because my mom's truck don't work. We don't have the money to fix that. So, yeah. Anyway, I know this is going to be a long one. Yeah. Well, like I said, have a nice day. Something in them which I don't think is a cat.